Consultant psychiatrist Dr. Earl Wright is urging Jamaicans to protect their mental health during the COVID-19 pandemic. He believes this should be among the resolutions set for the new year. Shamela Pullen tells us more in the health report.
The new year is an opportunity for persons to make resolutions, and this year is no different.
So I work for youth and for go and stop by up on the road.
And to see school fully started and everything rolled out in terms of cruise shipping and the tourism back on stream.
But with Jamaica and the rest of the world coping with the COVID-19 pandemic, consultant psychiatrist Dr. Earl Wright says most people 2021 resolutions are likely to be influenced by COVID-19.
What has happened is that it has become very clear to people that life can change very drastically in a very short time. In 2020, we had many people dying, being infected with COVID, and having a level of increased stress as a whole. And it became very apparent that just as you take care of your physical health, you need to take care of your mental health.
And so Dr. Wright says an important goal people can set for this year is learning to manage stresses.
Managing your stress is going to be very important. Talking to other people, socializing in safely. We're not able to get the hugs. We're not able to be close to people as we were in the past, so that we need to put in place other things, the telephone, the FaceTime, the WhatsApp, so that we stay socially connected.
Exercise and eating healthy are realistic goals people can set in the new year. Dr. Wright gives advice on how people can follow through on their goals.
Most people fail their goals, because the goals are too big. The small goals, incremental step, and also giving yourself pluses when you accomplish any of the goals. Give yourself a treat that you have accomplished goal X or goal Y.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.